Hello, I'm Danielle from the Shimon software team, and today I'll be taking you through tutorial number 2 of how to use your conversion booster. To start with, I'd like to take you through the categories, and this is especially helpful if you have, say, 20 or so links that you need to filter through, and you can categorize them so that down here, only what you want under certain categories will show up. So if we come back up here, we can see that the category at the moment is none. And we're going to select test and go. Now if we come down, we see that only 2 links were under that particular category. So it really filters things out for us. And we're going to go back to the main screen. All right, now I'll show you how to create a link with a particular category in it. To start with, let's come across here, select that, Control C, back here, destination URL, there we go, link name APA, and no notes, but we will add a category. And oops, not go, we want to create a link. There we go, link was created. If we come down here, you can see it here. Now when we select a particular category, this one, and go, we come down and it has been added successfully. Now the next thing we're going to look at is our category manager. Now with this one you can actually add or delete categories. So here we have the one that we've been using, test, and we could delete that, but I don't want to for the moment. What I will show you, however, is how to add a category. Yes, let's go test 2 and click add category. It has been added successfully, so we're going to go back to the main screen, and now we can see that that has been added up here. Now at this stage nothing has been put under the test 2 category, but we're actually going to adjust that. So if we come across here, we can click on edit and we can change things like the destination URL, the notes, and the categories, and whether or not it's cloaked and uncloaked. So coming down here, test 2. So we're just going to change that category, save changes. My internet's thinking. All right, category was changed. And now we're going to click cancel. That will just take us back to the main page. And now when I search for test 2 and click go, you can scroll down and APA will come up. Now the next thing I would like to show you, coming back up here, is if we just go back to our main page, go. All right, so now we're going to look at the search option. Now it's just the same as any other basic search. You'll just type in what you're searching for, say it's A4, and click search. And then as we come down, A4 is the link name that shows up. Again, very handy if you have lots of links down here. Now we can clear the search and it will show up everything again. Excellent. So the last thing we want to look at in this tutorial is our delete, reset, and edit options. Now we briefly spoke about editing before, but I'll take you through that again in detail in a minute. Now here, for example, if we see A3, we come across, it has 2 clicks and 1 click. We'll explain these in the next tutorial, but for the moment all you need to know is that is the number of clicks, and if we come across we can actually select reset and those clicks will disappear. It'll go back to 0, 0. Reset. Yes, we are sure we want to reset the hit counter. Hit counter has been reset for A3, and we come down and see that A3 is now back on 0, 0. Excellent. So now let's come across. We can also delete links. So if we come up here, let's delete APA. Yes, I am sure. Okay. Link was deleted, and as you can see, it's gone. Now coming across, we can also edit. So we have A4. We don't edit the link name, but we can edit the URL, or we can edit the notes. Let's change the notes. Let's just say test A4. Nice and simple. And we're going to change the category as well. And let's just make it cloaked for the fun of it. Save changes. Excellent. So it tells us up here that the note was changed, the category was changed, and the link type was changed. And now we just click cancel, and this will just take us back to the main page. Now, if we were to click on edit, all of the new information shows up as we just typed it in. Well, that's all for now. If there is anything from creating a link or anything under link name, destination URL, etc. here that doesn't look familiar to you, please take a look at our part 1 of the series, and I will see you shortly for part 3. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.